Music is really great.
Tonight we're running a club night for adults with intellectual disabilities called Bounce. We've come up from Galway with our own crew of DJs and VJs who have intellectual disabilities that will play on the night, and also our mixed abilities group, Electric Dreams. Initially it was just to create more opportunities for people with intellectual disabilities to socialise and have a dance in a kind of a club environment. I suppose there's another element to the night, which is the decoration. When we put on an event, usually we also make props, and those props often represent maybe weeks of workshops with other groups of people that maybe aren't musicians or DJs, but they're contributing by creating the art and the installation that we see on the night. If you're interested in putting on a night like this, if you see that there isn't one in your town, you know, it can be done, and I think it's very beneficial for the wider community to create these opportunities for people that sometimes don't have the same opportunities that we all have to just get out and do supposedly regular things like go to a club. Hopefully people will see that it's great crack and that it's also achievable.
I love to be a DJ because I just like to play some good records that I'm into.
How does it make you feel when you're DJing?
It makes me feel happy, and I'm delighted, and this is going to be a great victory for tonight.
My DJ name is DJ Fixin'. I'm not nervous, but I'm really excited about doing it. Well, I hope they dance through the songs I play.
Makes me a lot to me. It's my passion, and keep me close to my friends. And my music is good, and enjoy myself.
We run workshops every month, maybe twice a month. People get to try out the decks and see if they want to continue on. You can kind of tell from day one the people who are going to stick at it. You know, they're such music nerds, really. They're just like obsessed with music, and they come in the door and, you know, they're sharing all their tunes with each other.
I done the disco here tonight. Yeah. And it's really good. I'm really loving it at the moment.
It's actually been great all the summer album, and that's why I'm out here to the great night, and that's why I'm out for Mr. Right tonight.
And do you think Dublin should do more nights like this?
Yes. It will be, yes. Great time. More nights.
And do you like dancing?
I do. I love dancing. I think I'm good at it.
I like to sing, so.